Holy cow, you got way close.
Yeah, that's equal to probably a 40-mile-an-hour wind or better. And the other one makes a smaller pellet that looks about that size, and you can see it really good. It's all the excess wax is pressed out of it, but they're kind of cool. Special ingredient, that volcanic rock that soaks up the paraffin wax, and when you blow on it, it gets hot and then gasifies and kind of makes them windproof. I think it's really important that everybody have a 72-hour kit and some emergency stuff in there like this.
Whoa!
Look at
I've
it.
never seen it in the flesh when your little fire starters go off.
Look at it suck.
Dang, that was fast.
Listen.
Dang, that was faster than I ever had to take off. It really likes that puck.
These things are, you can dump them in water, it doesn't matter. They're completely waterproof. And all you have to do is just kind of scratch it with your knife and you got those cotton fibers. And then it's matchless. Where's the fan? I blow on it harder than that fan does and it won't blow it out. Good blowing, kiddo. That was equal to about a 60-mile-an-hour gust. So it's been like 10-12 minutes. That looks like that's about ready to go out, right? Wrong.
That is insane.
Isn't that insane? Those rocks, you can see them in there. They're just turning red hot and they're sending more gases off.
Whoa, that is not what I thought it would look like.
And so
Learn something new every time I come in here. There.
What do you do with the cotton round?
We're gonna stick it in there.
In the wax and let it get saturated. Right, now pick it out with a spoon, put it on the top. This puck is all but made. You just pull this out, push this down, and that drops. Hit it right over the top like that. And while you hold pressure on it,
You get the hammer.
you hit the hammer. And now what? Now it stays down.
Cool.
And there's the wax that was compressed out of each one.
Center that. Then I need to center this. Push down. Hey guys, we think they're done, so we're gonna do a test drive. Let's see. So we're gonna take out the wedge, push that down, pull this up, twist, pull out, and there's the inside of it. There's a little hole at the bottom. My dad made me this tool out of an old screwdriver, and we're just gonna pop it out. And there you have it. And this one came out pretty nice.
Fire starter pellets for when you go hiking, camping. If you fall in a river, it's okay if they get wet. They still light up. It's all good. Hey guys, I hope you like what we're doing here. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. And like and subscribe.